Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Salesforce custom fields for deal qualification. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable custom fields for deal qualification in Salesforce, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu located in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and select it from the results. Locate and click on the object that corresponds to your deals, typically labeled as Opportunity. On the Opportunity page, click on the New button to create a new custom field. Choose the appropriate field type that suits your qualification criteria, such as text, number, or pick list. Click Next to proceed with the configuration. Enter a relevant field label and name for your custom field. Set any additional field properties, such as length and required status, according to your needs. Click Next to move on to the field level security settings. Define the visibility settings by selecting which profiles can view and edit this custom field. Once the security settings are adjusted, click Next to proceed to the page layout selection. Choose the page layout where you want the custom field to appear. Click Save to finalize the creation of your custom field. Now, return to the Opportunity Detail page to confirm that your new field is visible. To ensure that this field is part of your deal qualification process, navigate to the validation rules in the Opportunity object. Click on New to create a new validation rule if necessary. Define the criteria for when this custom field must be filled out for deal qualification. Test the validation rule to ensure it works as intended. Save your changes and exit the setup. Finally, communicate with your sales team about the new custom field and its importance for deal qualification. Your Salesforce custom fields for deal qualification are now enabled and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.